Hello, Dr. Reber and classmates. I would like to take a moment to teach you about a tool that I have recently used. This tool has the features of HTML5, and it includes how to hide text and then make it reappear when clicked. Okay, so to show you this tool really quickly before I show you how to implement it, I have to go to the website that I am creating for our class, and let me launch it really quick in Chrome. So as you see here, the website's pretty plain right now. No worries, when it's finished it will look nice, I hope, and it will look much more appealing than this. But if you go down here to Jared's interpretation, you'll see that it turns into a clickable link. If you click on that, then some text pops up and stays up until it's clicked again. This can be used in many ways. I'm going to use it so that we can keep a nice clean design, and it will help the user focus on what they are reading rather than having a bunch of jumbled up words stick around while they are reading that particular part of the document. So in order to teach you guys how to do this, we're going to put in chapter 1 of the Acts of the Apostles under this area right here, which is content chapter. Okay, so I got this coding from this website here called eHow, and it gives you very easy instructions. So 1, 2, 3 right there. So now that I've tested it and we know what to do, I will walk you through what happened. In the head element up here, you can see that we add an action script at the very top, JavaScript, excuse me, at the very top here, and some coding. So I copy and pasted that down in there, and then you can see that we put some div tags, and the actual text goes in that area. So now this is A2, so we know that A1 goes above it, where we'll actually have the chapter so people can read it. So let's go back and get the material. I have Acts 1 pulled up right here. We're going to copy it. We're going to go here. We're going to go find where the content chapter, go right here. We're going to paste it in there. We're going to save it. We're going to launch it in Chrome. So this is how it looks, and don't worry, we're going to go in here. We're going to take care of all these hidden characters that is not recognized. We'll take care of all that when we clean this guy up later on. But for now, this is just for the purposes of this demonstration. We will not worry about that at this time. Now we'll go back to the eHow page. And we'll go down to step number 2 because step number 1 has already been done. And we will go here. And we will choose the A1 section for edition 1. We're going to copy it. We'll go up above this area. Give ourselves plenty of room. It doesn't matter how many lines you take at all, that will not show up. And so item 1 text. So all of this needs to go in item 1 text. So we're actually going to go through here, take all the footnotes and all that good stuff, and we're going to right click and cut it. Okay, and then we're going to go back up towards the top here. And I'm a little lost. Let's find out where we were. I think item 1 text goes here. We're going to give ourselves some room. I'm going to highlight this. We're going to paste over it. Control V. It's in there. Control S. Now let's go back and just take a look at this guy here. And we're going to refresh this. So if I click on it, item 1, yep, it pops up, pops down. Now we're going to change that item 1 and clean that up a little bit. So we're going to see where it says item 1 right here. We're going to highlight that. We're going to change that to Acts I like the full name. I don't know why everybody abbreviates to Acts, but I like the actual full name of Acts of the Apostles. I'm a person who spell check per chapter 1 NIV version. Okay. Control S. I also saw down here where there are advertisement, which I understand why they need that, but it was popping up, so we're going to highlight that advertisement and get rid of it. We're going to clean up our coding a little bit. Control S. Let's go back. Refresh. Acts of the Apostles, chapter 1. It pops down, my interpretation of it. There you go. So that is a little tool on how to make text go in and out. Once again, go to this website right here, ehow.com/how_5772308-collapse-text.html, and it'll give you an easy 3-step process on how to do it. One little side note that you want to go in order here. Notice the A1. You want to go in order here through all the elements as you get them to collapse. So while I will be putting 10 chapters on my page, there will actually be 20 collapsible parts. So at the end of the first web page, there should be A1 through A20 because I want to put my feedback and everything on there so it'll be collapsible for people to read. Anyways, thanks for joining along and hope you have a great day.